Everybody got access to the chat? Was supposed, oh, the link was shared. Is Tegan here tonight? Not Keanu, Tegan. Tegan not here. Okay, let's begin. Oh, did you put up your hand for access to the chat? But Charlie Chaplin, you always got access to the chat. Can you guys talk back to me? Is your mics disabled? Roxanne, talk to me.
Hi, Aziza. Hello, Aziza. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Where's my cutting tool now? Roxanne, are you ready?
I'm ready, Aziza. I'm just getting into pajamas. I'm ready.
You must have been in pajamas already. Can I
The
post the
kids
quiz?
put long in the bath. I'm ready, Aziza.
Okay. I hope my Teams doesn't go down. Damn. Okay, there's the first question. You can take 2 minutes, and when you're done, you post your answer in the chat. I'm not going to answer you on that, Keanu. What are we playing here? Follow the leader. And everybody was wrong. Everybody's wrong. Review your answer again. There, Kumalu got it right. You don't know your theory. That's the number one thing in this paper, in this whole curriculum. The transfers of funds from the trust bank may not result in a debit balance on the trust creditor's account. Okay. Let's go to number two. All those people got it wrong. Just give yourself a good hiding over your knuckles. I want to hear. But Keanu doesn't have to do that. Keanu must say, "Good evening, ma'am." It sounds like you're clapping. You're supposed to be beating yourself. Roxanne?
I did it over my knuckles, Aziza.
You sound like you were clapping. Charlie Chaplin's come. You got it wrong. You must say hello. Good evening.
It's always calming coming here and hear your voice.
Is
Aziza, for
it?
always.
No, Kiana, the wording can't be confusing us. You confusing us by not speaking. Because we don't know currently if you're a real person or AI, if you're male or female, or we don't know. We've been trying to figure out whole semester who you are. Okay, I'm AI. It's an AI robot. AI doesn't get things wrong. What's wrong with you, Keanu? You are fake. That the AI is a hallucinate. Okay, I've posted number 2. You've got 2, 3 minutes. Look at it. Thank you, Roxanne, for that.
What did I do now?
Now you said it's always therapeutic or something to come here.
Yes, and to hear your voice, it is
That's
really.
so sweet, guys. Where's the cake tonight? The pavlova. We'll keep it for Saturday.
Saturday.
We're gonna have electronic party here. You must choose a number. B and D is gonna be wrong, Roxanne. Okay, most of the people got it right. It was number 4. I would like to see more answers, not just 4. With 32 in the class, if we can have 32 answers, please. Let's go. Is Tegan not here? Oh, sorry, am I too fast? Okay, I'll give you guys longer time. Okay, number 4, indeed, you are right. Number 5 is wrong. No, I think in the exam you must get 50 and above. But we can talk about that afterwards. Okay, number 4, I'll give you a few minutes. Okay, it looks like the most of you got number 1, which was correct. Yourself over the knuckles if you got it wrong, don't forget. Everyone take another 5 minutes and review that answer of number 5.
Aziza, Aziza,
Yes.
how do we calculate interest earned, please?
Interest earned.
Yes, how do one calculate that? I don't understand the question.
The legal
And then
practice received fees of 55,000 from the trust. The investment was made in terms of 80, changes maybe to a 86.3. Okay. The amount of 55,000 interest included interest of 7.3.
Hi, Aziza.
Yes.
I think 78 to A changed to 86.4.
Okay, then make it 86.4 then.
86.4, I'm not with you.
So, okay, we're probably not going to find the right answer here. So, if it's a 86.4, I can't get the question now.
Section 86.4.
Yeah.
Se-
So, if it's a 86.4, it would have been a piece. So, they ask how much interest will be accrued.
Because what I now did, Aziza, is I did add the two, but it doesn't give me any of the answers option here. So my calculations is totally out.
just
So that's
somebody calculated for me. If it's a 86.4, how much is it? 95% of 7.3?
is
Is it that?
6935.
So, then it's number 2. If it was a
let's see.
86.3, it would have been number 1.
It's number 3, Aziza. Isn't the creditor getting 95%
Yeah,
on?
sorry, other way around. 6935 trust creditor. Sorry, I read it wrong. 3. So it's number 3 if it's a 86.4, and if it's a 86.3, it's a number 1. So 78.2 turned into a 86.3.
Yes.
Yeah, somebody said a
No,
86.4.
0.4.
No,
78 to A is 86.4.
anyway, whatever it is, I remember 78.2 being a everything goes to the fatality fund. But okay, don't worry about it. So we just, if we
But
adapt
even
this to a
okay,
86.4, and then it's a number 3.
86.4, and then it's number 3, the
If we
answer.
adapt it
I know
to a
that it is
86.3, it would be number 1.
it
Okay.
was section 86.3. Section 86.3, then it would have been number 1, which is 7,300 rand. That is what. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, let's move on.
Mm.
Number 6.
Which one of the following account names in trust creditors leisure has been unmarried? Aziza, so now it says legal represents the correct name of a trust investment made in terms of section 86.4. So how? Oh, I'm not reading my question correct.
Guys got it wrong. There's only one person that got it right. Number 6 is GCAM. The name of the client. You put the section 86. You put the word trust investment and you put the bank's name. How otherwise are you gonna correlate it to your... No, Petunia. Not number 1, it's number 2. Okay, so the client's name, the section, you must say it's a trust investment account in the bank. I must ask Danessa to send that other one to you guys on the group that we done. You can actually work through it. Okay, number 7. I hope you're making notes here, né? Are you people copying this over to a spreadsheet or something so that you have it and can work through it? Hey?
Yes, in our books, yes, I'm doing that.
Okay, because Danessa's not here tonight to do all your nitty-gritties. Okay, number 7.
Roxanne, Roxanne,
Hello?
you forgot
Yes.
to mute yourself, ne?
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
By this time, I think you guys must all beat yourself up and not just hit you over the knuckles. Self-abuse, self-destruction. Also follow the leader here. I need other answer. Are you guys guessing or what? Yes, thank you, Karabu. Karabu got it right. Give her a round of applause. And don't be stingy. Stop posting now, please. I'm trying to copy and the screen is coming on my screen. What number are we doing now? Number 8. Number 9. Number 8. We do number 8 already. Okay, so number 8,
We're
you
doing
must tell
8.
me. Okay, you must do 8 now. 8 is a bit long. So please don't play a guessing game. Read through each answer. Okay, number 8. Okay, it looks like number 3 is the correct answer. Where's our robot, our AI guy? Okay, I've paste copied number 9 already.
Aziza, are you partying?
Sorry.
It's nice where you are.
For me,
Yeah, that music that you are playing, you are dancing.
you know what? I'm in a concert. I'm in a concert next week. I'm doing I do is contemporary dancing. So now I'm in a concert next week. Now we I have to practice tonight, this evening. So I was just looking at the video.
Oh, practicing.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know why I want to be in a concert.
Yeah, no, you must enjoy. Get
Yeah,
all your books right now.
while you write exams, I will be in a concert.
Exactly.
You see that?
Okay, so what did you guys get
Show
for
us
number
some
9?
moves.
What you say, Roxanne?
Show us some moves. Okay, where's number 9? Were you partying all with me? You guys also dancing.
Yeah, we forgot about number 9.
Uh, you guys post anything for number 9? Because I don't see anything here on my screen. There's a 1. Anything else? Karabu, you're wrong. Kumzele and Kumalu is right. It's number 1. Okay, number 10. Did you guys get number 10 wrong? Collection is.
I
Mm,
the I just remember the 1/3 share thingy of the discussion that we had. I think Saturday, or was it last week Thursday? Then Aziza explained of the 1/3 share of the for the instructing attorney something.
Okay, let's go through it. Number 1, why is number 1 correct or incorrect? Number
The
1 is
instructing
correct.
it is number 1 correct.
Yes, Collection Commission is charged when an instructed attorney's practice collects outstanding debt on behalf of the instructing. That's correct. Okay, number 2, an instructed attorney is entitled to 2/3 of the total fees. Is that correct or incorrect?
That's correct.
Collection Commission is calculated at 10% of all monies collected by an instructed attorney's practice. Is that correct or incorrect?
Election Commission. They don't collect commission. Election Commission.
It's correct.
That's incorrect.
It's incorrect.
Yes, so number 3 is the correct answer. All monies, not all monies. Okay.
So the instructed attorney is entitled to 2/3, not 1/3.
1/3 is the instructing attorney.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Thank you.
Okay. Number 11. You can do number 11 now. Did I post number 11? You've got number 11. Was it just halfway posted? Okay, there's the other half. I want you to do number 11.
Thank you, Lisa.
Okay, so we have consensus on number 11. Let's move on to number 12. Yeah, Sheriff Fees doesn't have VAT on it. So it's number 3. We didn't get to it. That is a a theory question. Okay, number 12 is number 2. I see Kumalu got it right. Radebe got it right. Avril, beat yourself up. No, not the small hiding. Beat yourself up. Busi, beat yourself up. Okay, let's move on. Here's your favorite. Okay, let's do number 13. Nessa's got nothing to do with you guys now. She's parading a ring. Yep, number 3 it is.
Aziza, do you mind explaining the answer for 13?
Just hold on. So, the instructing attorney is instant attorney and the instructed attorney is Dupi. They collected 19,000 rand. No, it's not number 3, actually. It is number 1. Because what amount must be credited in trust creditor account of Eskonki in the account records of instant advice. So we looking at the instructing attorney's books and Konki. Sorry, it's number 1. 16,890 is going to be credited into the account. Sorry, guys. That's, who asked that question now?
It's me, Valerie.
Valerie, yes. What did you get? Number
Thank
1?
you. Yes, I thought
What-
it was number 1
Yeah,
because
no, sorry.
after
Okay.
deducting all the fees.
Yes, sorry, man, I didn't read it properly.
Valerie,
Yes.
can Valerie explain, please? Question
For me, it's
13
the
answer.
money that is collected minus all the fees to the attorneys, then the client gets the balance.
Okay, which is 16,890. Thank you, Valerie.
Thank you, you're welcome.
What did you say now? Sorry, Valerie. It's all the money is deducted, no? All that.
Yes, all the
Share, please
costs,
correspond.
yeah, all the attorneys costs, all the costs that went into the collection of the money must be deducted, and then the client gets the balance.
Net balance to the client, which is Kune. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
Okay, this one is 5 options now, eh? 14. Try again.
Number 3, because instant advice.
Did you say that, Valerie? I mean, Roxanne?
I'm looking now at the figures here.
Uh-huh.
Instant. But I think that was by option number 5. Instant advice, Trust Bank 890, instant advice. There's no amount by instant advice. And then attorney's client. So the question is, which amount will reflect in the fees account?
Valerie, what do you say?
I'm still deciphering the riddle,
You still what?
trying to decipher the riddle.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm rereading and rereading the question, each option. So yeah, I'm not quite sure of the answer yet. Still
Yeah, you're right,
rereading the answer.
Zianda. Zianda, tell us why you chose that. Yeah, there's a mistake there with the CRJ and CPJ. Zianda, why did you choose number 2?
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, so it's number 2 because the 16890 is the transfer to is a cash payment from the trust account to the other attorneys to instant
Yes.
advice. And then the 2110 is what's transferred from the trust bank account to the business bank account.
And the 19,000 on the credit side is what we collected.
Oh yes, that's what we collected, yes.
Okay. Number 15. Okay, number 3, the 890. Okay, I want you to do 1 and 2 for me. Let's do 1. Valerie, Roxanne, are you blue already?
Are we blue?
Are you blue?
What does that mean?
No, I'm
You're
pink.
supposed to
The
beat
knuckles,
yourself
you
up
must hit
until you're
yourself.
blue.
You must hit
Oh,
yourself
is the
until you're
answer
blue.
wrong?
No, it's right. Number
All out.
15 is right. I'm asking, now we're done with one set of questions. Did you beat yourself up? Because you
Oh,
will
yeah.
remember the scores in the exam.
Mhm,
That sounds
mhm.
toxic. Sounds toxic.
But
I'm
it's
red.
it's good advice.
No, I'll never beat myself up for a wrong answer.
Just on your knuckles.
No, I had but that is trauma from primary school. That's very deep trauma. I had
Yeah,
a teacher who did that,
they used
Mrs.
to do that.
Pillay. That's what
What
I
school
will
did you go
remember,
to?
Kiana's surname, Mrs. Pillay.
What
Yo, she
school did you
beat
go
me
to?
up. But junior primary, yo, she was very cruel. God bless her soul.
The junior primary is where again?
Kraaifontein.
Kraaifontein. Oh, okay. What is 15?
Your
15 is
surname, I
890.
had it.
Okay. But everybody's surname is, there's only 5 surnames. If you're Indian, it's Pillay, it's Naidu, it's Sheikh, it's Govender. What's the other one, Keanu? Only 5 surnames. Those are Tamil surnames. You also get Hindi surnames. Okay, now you're confusing us too much. Okay, I've posted number 1. I've posted number 1. I want you to do number 1. And this is now round 2, ne, of the same type of questions. If you didn't learn from round 1 where you went wrong, then I don't know what to do with you guys anymore. So you should do better and you must evaluate yourself. I can't keep track of what Keanu is answering here. Mr. Pillay. Mr. Pillay. There's a 5th surname, and guys, don't you know the 5th surname? It's Pillay is Naidu. I have 4 bosses at work. All their surname is Naidu. So I just call them Naidu squared and Naidu cubed.
The Gupta, nee, the Guptas is something else. That's fine. Chetty, yeah, Chetty.
No, not Chetty so much in Cape Town.
Yes, Aziza, there's a lot of Chetties in the southern, is it southern suburbs? Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Little bit Chetty. A little bit Chetty. They were probably the ones that was talking too much. So they gave this surname Chetty. Maharaja. Easy how they name them like that when they came in on the boat, no, Keanu? That's how Indian people came here to Durban back in the day. Then they just named you that under that clan, I think. Yeah. Yeah, the colonizers gave me that surname. You're right. And I'm right. And then I think it was a boat's name or some name, and then they just that batch that came in was Naidu, and that batch that came in was Pillay, and that's how they got these surnames. Okay, so number 1, we've got a 1, and we've got a 3. And we're talking too much about the Chetties and the Pillays. And we don't have a right answer. Julle almal is verkeerd. Ask Mr. Pillay what's the right answer. Pillay is supposed to be Pilia. Is that how you pronounce it? Now we don't even know how to pronounce it. because we can't hear you. Number 1, still looking for the right answer. Maybe you can show us a photo of you. If we can't hear your voice, Mr. Pillay. Which one of the following is the correct statements? You guys are getting this wrong, your theory wrong. Trust money may under no circumstances be deposited into the business bank account. The legal practice may not transfer money from the trust bank account to the business bank account. The trust bank balance shall at any date be equal or greater than the total debits of the credit balances. Okay, so the correct statement is number 2. So look there in your theory, in your book, with the theory. It is there in that first chapter, that notes. Okay, number 2. Number 2. Okay, number 3 is correct. Got the answer, Roxanne? Did you beat yourself? Okay, now number 3. I think some people is making us confused when they write, when they type after we've already given the answer. So just write the question's number like Roxanne does it. Number 3-1-2, then we know what you're talking about. Or if it's delayed also. Okay, so number 3. Number 3. Okay. Number 3 is number 4. Okay, I'm skipping number 4 now. Leander, write your number next to it, please. Number 5. Let's move on to number 5. Let's go back to the question. Just scroll up here. A client reflects a debit balance at the end of the September before any transfer of trust. Which amount has to be transferred to the business bank from the trust account if Adams has a credit balance of 3,000 on his trust creditors account?
Isn't it not number? Is it?
No, it's Keanu, it's
Is it
number.
not number?
Okay, Keanu says never mind. No, it's number 4. Okay, do number 4 now. Okay, not number 4, number 5.
So we are doing now number 6 because Aziza said we're skipping number 4.
I'm a hotel, yeah, no. If you skip number
Excuse
4,
me?
then you must do number 5.
Yes.
Roxanne, het raakt laat. Were you studying the whole day?
Yes, Aziza, I was actually trying to study the whole day.
Trying what? Why trying to study?
I can't answer that question now, Aziza, but
You must
I was
study
really
3
trying.
hours, Roxanne, and go sleep for 1 hour. Study 3 hours, you must go sleep between your studies. Otherwise, you're going to get your macaw like you're getting now from all the numbers.
Thank you so much for the advice, Aziza. I'm writing it down right here now. Study 3 hours and sleep for 1 hour. I will be a corpse.
Yeah, you can't study on one the whole day. No, Keanu, you're wrong. You can't study the whole day. You must study and sleep and study and sleep. Not go sleep now in a deep sleep for 10 hours, eh? Just a power nap.
When I go to sleep, I don't hear the alarm. That is why I prevent not going into a deep sleep. And then when I wake up, then I'm still tired and lump and morbid, and I carry my book from one room to the other room. But I did study today.
Now you must go sleep so that you can be refreshed and then you start studying again. Otherwise, you're going to be like a zombie when you must write the exam.
Yes, Aziza. Thank you, Aziza.
I'll tell you a story. I'll tell you a story later of something that happened to me.
I fell asleep yesterday when I read philosophy.
Yes, from studying like that.
And I don't even know if they can make out my second answer. But okay. Let's focus on accounting.
Okay, so CPCs, we got it right, number 2.
Question 5.
Okay. Let's move on.
Listen to Kiana's question there. You fell asleep while you were writing. Can you raise your voice, please, gentlemen, so that I can answer you?
That's a good response.
Question number 6.
Number 10, we're doing number 10 now. It's not enough time for everything.
Number 10, okay. Aziza, should there not be more information pertaining question 10? No.
That's enough information for you, Roxanne.
Thank you.
Yes, we do have a class on Saturday. Yes, Roxanne, it's number 4. Correct. Number 11.
Yes! I'm now very proud of myself.
You can rub your hand now.
I'm putting LA Lab oil on right now.
But Roxanne, how did you get number 4? Are you right, Dawn? I forgot to post the question previously before that. It was a follow-on question. So you can unhear yourself now.
I'm not following.
That question I posted incorrectly. There was a follow-on before that. Question 10.
On question 10.
Mm,
So is the answer not number 4?
it
That
is
is
number
number 4
4.
because
It is
yes,
number
because
4.
It's in the first book of ja, ek het dit vanmiddag gelees. Ag.
Yes, but you didn't know what the question was on top.
Yeah, there were no values.
There were no values, Roxanne. I forgot to copy the top part of the question. Anyway,
I
let's
just assumed that it's 2020
I
because it was
asked
worked from 2020, the interest.
no, there was no numbers. Okay, let's move on to
Aziza, I asked you, remember I asked you, isn't there more info pertaining to question 10?
Yeah, I didn't see it that it was a follow-on question. I'm sorry,
Exactly. And I
Roxanne.
read earlier on. I read about the books of first entry, so I remember that. Two entries, cash payments, journal thingy. Okay, question 11.
Please forgive me. Now 11 is also follow-on, is long copying. We don't have enough time. So let's do number 13.
But was question 4 rightful answer? Was
Yes, it was right.
was
It was right. It was right.
yes, I was right. Yes, God is good all the time. Next.
Now your camel, eh? Number 13. Janu's just looking for luck. There's no such a thing as luck. It's hard work. Valerie, what is your answer by number 13?
0. Nil.
Yeah, number 5. No.
Yes, number 5.
I think that they read number 5 is 0. I think number five is none of the above they should have said. And not no.
Yeah, none of the above.
Yes. So guys, there was an interpretation problem there.
Thanks for that, Valerie. Thanks, Aziza. I'm rereading it as well now. Let me screenshot this.
Okay, we're jumping to number 15. We didn't do it, or did we?
Which one of the following
Number 15, guys. Valerie.
Sorry, Aziza, give me just 1 minute. I forgot to copy and paste option 4 and 5, so I just want to read.
Okay. Number 15 is number 3. And number 11 is number 2, Avril. Instructing attorneys entitled to a third of the fees. Okay, you guys are getting better. You just need to go and rework this. I'll ask the